Imagine a car from Japan with a V10 engine, built between 2010 and 2012, 540 horsepower, and a sound to die for. That's the Lexus LFA. It may not be the most beautiful car ever built, but it has one of the best V10 sounds ever. Many model car manufacturers have now released the Lexus LFA. The reason for this is to show you the cheapest to the most expensive alternatives, what the differences are, and what makes certain models so special. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let us know which model and manufacturer is your favorite, and who did it the best and why. Let's go. Now, who of these nailed it the most? Let us know in the comments down below. As always, thanks a lot for watching and your support. Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any further videos related to the diecast world. Happy collecting and stay safe. Cheers!